If you want to close background apps on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, then first of all we need to go to these background apps or recents. So if you have 3 buttons for navigation, then in that case you want to press on this square button. This allows you to open background apps or apps that are running in the background. And on the other hand, if you use gestures for navigation, then in that case you want to swipe from the bottom towards the middle of the phone and hold your finger for like half a second over there. Or you might not even need to do that. As you can see, if we swipe from the very bottom, then we immediately open it. So you might see this immediately. So once we have these apps, in order to close a single app, then of course you can just swipe it up just like that. And if you want to clear all apps, if you want to close all of them, then as you can see, we can scroll all the way to the left side and we can find the clear all button. Unfortunately, we cannot use 2 fingers to close apps, just like we can do this, for example, on iOS. But we can close everything at all with a single button in here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.